I welcome to my channel NAILART. Today I will show you an option and how you can diversify a regular French manicure if you are a fan of this design. For this design I will need bright pigments, black gel polish, matte and glossy top coat, also white gel polish and aura proofing. We will also stamp the inscription. Apply black gel polish to the prepared nail and dry for 30 seconds. Cover with a matte top coat and dry for 30 seconds. Apply white gel polish to the palette. Next, use aura proofing to apply gel polish. We draw the French line, repeating it several times. Dry each layer for 30 seconds. Next, rub the pigments into the sticky layer of gel polish. Next, use black gel polish to carefully draw a French manicure. Dry for 30 seconds. We cover it with a top coat and then stamp it with an inscription. Cover with a non-top coat and dry for 30 seconds. You can leave it in this way, but I wanted to cover the nail bed with a matte top coat. This is the original design I come up with. I love the result. Well, NAILART was with you. Thank you for your attention. Did you like the design? Good luck to all. Bye bye.